On the midnight of the 14th of August, 1947, as darkness settled over the valleys and hills of Manipur, a historic transformation was underway. After 56 years under British colonial rule and centuries, as a proud sovereign kingdom, Manipur reclaimed its independence, a day before the rest of India would do the same. At Kangla Fort in Impal, the heart of the kingdom, freedom was proclaimed. Maharaja Budhichandra, the last king of Manipur, raised the Manipur state flag, a white banner adorned with the sacred emblem of Lord Phangkhiba, the dragon god, replacing the Union Jack that had flown for decades. The air reverberated with 18 rounds of cannon fire, announcing to all the land that Manipur was free once more. For 3 days, the people of Manipur celebrated their culture, their resilience, their courage. This was the land once devastated by foreign invasions, battle-scarred by the 7 years' devastation under Burmese rule, and marked by the heroism of the Anglo-Manipuri War of 1891. Yet through it all, Manipur never lost the spirit to stand tall, though this sovereignty was short-lived. With Manipur merging into India in September 1949, the memory of freedom endures. Civil society, students, and elders gather every year to honor August 14th as Manipur's own Independence Day. It is a day to remember those who fought valiantly, and a day to inspire future generations to cherish their unique heritage. A day to reflect on the enduring legacy of Manipur's proud history. This is Manipur, a land of warriors, legends, and hope. As we commemorate the 14th of August, let us honor the past, celebrate the present, and imagine a future built upon the dreams of freedom and peace. Happy Independence Day, Manipur.